All right, today we're going to try to draw a 3D pyramid. To start, I would start with the base, and it kind of looks like a square that got hit by a bus. You'll see that after we get done drawing it. So start off with the bottom and then kind of draw a slanted right side. And on the left side, I want you to draw the same kind of slant, but I want you to make it dotted, just like that. Then across the top, we're also going to make it dotted. Then what I want you to do with this top left corner, draw a small dot, and this is a dot that we're going to connect all of our corners to of our base. So from there, you can draw a solid line to your dot. We're going to make this one a solid line and the far right a solid line. Now, if this were an actual 3D pyramid, we wouldn't be able to see this back line, so we're going to make that dotted too. The dotted tells us that we can't actually see it. Okay, looking good so far. This, like we said before, what your pyramid is sitting on is your base. So we're going to go ahead and label that base. Then the height, remember, if you go to the doctor, when he asks you for your height, you don't go up against the wall and stand at a slant like this. So we want from the base to that point, the very top of your pyramid, we want to draw another dotted line down to the base. This is what is actually going to be our height, this dotted line that we just drew. So if you want, you can draw an arrow to it. This is our height, just like that. We're going to call this H, and we're going to call this our base a capital B. Okay, so get practicing, because the more practice you do, the better you will get at